a gift from your government and people, as well as the Communist Party of China, to us is certainly a huge contribution whose impact will go a long way to mitigate the suffering amongst our people and boost our capacity for disease prevention.
I would like to announce here that China has decided to choose a Chinese hospital for carrying out cooperation on COVID-19, such as training, technical support, materials and equipment assistance, and development of key specialty.